Woodworking has long been more than a hobby. It is a pathway to financial freedom, personal fulfillment, and creative expression. Among the many niches within woodworking, furniture crafting stands out as a high-potential avenue for consistent income. Simple, well-designed furniture projects often appeal to a broad audience because they combine practicality with style. Buyers are constantly seeking pieces that enhance their homes, from functional chairs and tables to compact storage units that maximize space. By mastering simple furniture designs, woodworkers can generate steady profits while building a reputation for quality, reliability, and creativity. Creating furniture that sells requires understanding both design principles and market demand. Unlike complex or overly ornate items, simple furniture resonates with buyers because it is versatile, easy to integrate into various home styles, and provides immediate value. Each project becomes an opportunity to showcase craftsmanship, attention to detail, and thoughtful design. By focusing on simplicity and utility, woodworkers can produce pieces efficiently, reduce material waste, and maximize profit margins. The goal is not just to build furniture but to craft products that buyers recognize as essential, stylish, and worth investing in. In today's competitive market, furniture that combines simplicity with functionality stands out. Modern buyers appreciate pieces that are clean, ergonomic, and aesthetically pleasing without being overly complicated. Steady income stems from repeatable designs that meet consistent demand, allowing woodworkers to optimize production while maintaining high quality. This approach transforms woodworking from a hobby into a profitable business, turning each simple build into a reliable source of revenue and long-term growth. The foundation of profitable furniture crafting lies in designing items that balance simplicity, durability, and appeal. Essential pieces like chairs, small tables, shelves, and storage units are perennial favorites because they serve practical needs and fit seamlessly into everyday life. Buyers gravitate toward furniture that enhances their living space while reflecting personal style. For woodworkers, this presents a dual advantage. Functional projects are often easier and faster to produce, and their broad appeal ensures faster sales and repeat business. Crafting these projects with attention to detail and premium finishes allows you to command higher prices while keeping production time manageable. Material selection plays a crucial role in achieving both quality and profitability. Hardwoods such as oak, maple, and birch are preferred for their durability, aesthetic grain patterns, and ability to withstand daily use. Combining traditional woods with modern elements like metal or glass accents creates a contemporary feel that attracts discerning buyers. For budget-friendly yet high-demand projects, using locally sourced or reclaimed wood not only reduces costs but also adds an eco-conscious appeal, which resonates with modern consumers and increases market value. Efficiency in production amplifies income potential. By establishing streamlined workflows, woodworkers can reduce wasted time and materials. Simple furniture designs are ideal for batch production, enabling multiple units to be crafted simultaneously or sequentially. For example, producing a set of stackable shelves, modular tables, or chairs using consistent dimensions allows for predictable costs and streamlined assembly. Efficiency allows woodworkers to maintain high-quality standards while increasing the volume of products available for sale, ultimately boosting profits. Customization adds significant value and attracts premium buyers. Even simple furniture can be personalized with unique finishes, engraved designs, or tailored dimensions to fit specific spaces. Offering customizations allows you to charge more while giving buyers a sense of ownership and exclusivity. Personalized items, such as a dining table tailored to a family's kitchen, a custom-sized bookshelf, or an engraved coffee table, command higher prices and enhance your reputation for quality craftsmanship. Each custom order creates an opportunity for increased income while showcasing your versatility and design skill. Marketing is essential to maximize the profitability of simple furniture projects. High-quality photography, detailed descriptions, and professional presentation are critical when selling online or through marketplaces. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok provide excellent avenues for showcasing furniture pieces, highlighting their functionality and aesthetic appeal. By telling the story behind each piece, focusing on the craftsmanship, materials, and design inspiration, you enhance perceived value and connect emotionally with buyers. Buyers are willing to pay more for products that convey authenticity, thoughtfulness, and quality. Diversifying your furniture portfolio ensures consistent income. Producing a mix of smaller, fast-selling items and larger, high-ticket pieces provides a balanced revenue stream. Small items like stools, side tables, or compact shelving units offer quick returns, while larger pieces such as dining tables, armchairs, or storage units provide substantial profits per sale. Combining ready-to-sell inventory with custom orders ensures steady cash flow while allowing you to adapt to trends and customer preferences. Seasonal trends and thematic projects also contribute to steady income. Furniture tailored to holiday decor, seasonal color schemes, or trending interior styles attracts timely purchases. For example, a minimalist console table in neutral tones might sell consistently year-round, while a specially designed holiday-themed storage chest could generate a spike in sales. By understanding consumer behavior and aligning production with market demand, woodworkers can maximize both profit and reach. Sustainability enhances both market appeal and long-term profitability. Many buyers prioritize furniture made from responsibly sourced, reclaimed, or environmentally friendly wood. By adopting sustainable practices, woodworkers can differentiate their products, build brand credibility, and appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Sustainable furniture crafted with attention to design and finish not only commands premium prices but also fosters customer loyalty. Buyers are willing to invest in pieces that reflect ethical practices, adding value to both your reputation and income potential. Scaling your furniture craft business requires careful planning and strategic growth. Beginning with simple, high-demand projects allows you to gain experience, build a portfolio, and establish a customer base. Profitable furniture crafting is a combination of creativity, skill, and business insight. By focusing on simple, functional designs that appeal to buyers and maintaining high-quality standards, you can generate steady income while establishing a strong reputation. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.